Hey everybody, it's Yonki here from Surviveware. It is a beautiful day to make a video and announce the winner of our small waterproof first aid kits. In weather like this, you need one of these 100% waterproof, IPX7 rated, the works. 10 people are going to walk away with one of these. But before I announce the winners, of course, I've got to do a bit of marketing. We just launched our Stormproof Matches. You get 20 of these, wind, rain, doesn't matter. These things will even burn underwater. If you submerge them for like 5 seconds, the flame is going to keep on going. And we're selling these. You're not going to get a better price for any Stormproof matches on the internet for these. $5. They're normally $10 on our website, but you get free shipping as well if you enter Storm50 at checkout. This is what they look like. Go check it out. Yeah, they fit with all of our Surviveware products. They go into the middle sleeve. If you have one of our products, you definitely should get one of these as well. So without further ado, let me announce the winners. Got the list over here. And yeah, we're going to show how much points the winners got as well. No one with 1,000 points, thousands and thousands of points won. All people, if you just simply completed the survey, you would have had 100 points and you would have been in the running of one of these people. So congratulations to Carolyn, Christy Harkins, Darby Arnold, Jeremy Taylor, Karen Gibson, Lynn Tariba, Neil DeClos, Paul Rubenstein, Susan Gordon, Tina Mercado. Guys, congratulations. I just sent you an email as well. Please reply to that email, give me your shipping address so that I'll have it, and as soon as these launch, because they're not even on sale yet, they're not even ready, but as soon as they launch, which should be in the middle towards like the 20th of March, we're going to send this out to you 100% free of charge. They sell for $50, so yeah, it's a great price. 10 winners. Congratulations to everybody. If you didn't win, get yourself some Stormproof matches, and if we have another sweepstakes, you're on our list now. You'll be the first one to know about our new sweepstakes. We're launching some pretty incredible stuff in 2021. So yeah, check it, have a look out on your email. But other than that, have a lovely day and happy March to you guys. Cheers. Bye bye.